Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to recolor images in Photoshop using gradient maps. So let's say I have this image here of some flowers and I want to change the color of the flowers, but I don't want to use a single color to color the flowers. I sort of want to keep the texture and add maybe a bunch of colors. So let me show you how that's done. So first I'm going to select just the flowers. So I go to select, I'm going to select the color range and I'm going to pick the purple color and I'm going to make it more fuzzy to try to get more of the color. If I make it less, it's going to not, like the white part is what it's going to be selecting. So if I increase the fuzziness, it selects more of the purple part of the flowers. So I say okay, and I can see that it made a selection. Okay, now I'm going to go to Image, Adjustments, and Gradient Map. Okay, so we can click on this bar over here. And now it gives us some options for applying gradients to my selection. However, it's going to keep the same texture of the part that I highlighted. That's the cool thing about gradient maps. So let's try this one over here, for example. So I changed the color, and you can see here that I can sort of pick the colors that I want. So right now you can see in the picture that it's very purple and orange, despite me having yellow and blue in my map. So obviously it's focusing on these colors over here in the middle. So if I move the blue over here, for example, I'm going to get a little bit more blue into my image. And I could change the blue to whatever color I want, and you can see how it affects the image. So I don't want any blue at all, let's say, and let's say I don't even want any yellow. I could just drag those away, and I can save it and see how my picture looks. So that's pretty cool. It changed the flowers to make them a little bit more colorful. Let's say I'm not really happy with that, so let's go back a step. So this was the original picture. I'm still highlighting the section that I was highlighting before. So I'm going to go back into the gradient map because I want to just change the color to something else. So we can click around. That's kind of cool. I could turn them into daisies. All right, so let's pick something pretty cool. Okay, that looks awesome. And I can move it around and give it a little bit more yellow by making the yellow more prominent, or give it a little bit more blue. Oh wow, that looks awesome. All right, let's keep that. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, so there you go. That's how to use gradient maps, and you can use it to recolor images. If you have an image that you're not happy with and you want to change the colors and make it more vibrant, you can use gradient maps. It's a very cool tool in order to recolor the images. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.